What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just want to come at you with a quick hit on this iOttie, I think that's how you pronounce it, wireless charger. Now, you may have seen iOttie wireless chargers on my channel before because they are actually one of my favorites, just because of how versatile they are, even with phones of different sizes. But really the most interesting thing that I love about these is this fabric. It's almost like canvas covering that goes over the charger stand itself. So it gives it just a really cool, what I think of as like a Scandinavian type of look. You can see we have this little silicone or rubber bar right there. So when we put the phone on there, it shouldn't move around. I just love how it looks like a Tylenol pill. And then we have a little wireless charging pad right here. So if you have AirPods or earbuds or even a watch or something that can charge off of that, you can put that there. You can see we have a couple of little silicone strips down there. And so this one is not only bigger than the other ones, but obviously I can charge two things with it. It has kind of an interesting charging brick here, and you can see the single prong plug on the back. So it's only going to go in one way here, kind of idiot proof. I probably wish this were a USB-C cable, so if you lost the charger, it would still work. Now I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in here, and I want to see if it works with this plus-sized iPhone, right? Just see if it'll wirelessly charge, and boom, no problem, wireless charging. Now, like I said, what I've loved about these is how versatile they are. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put it on sideways down here and see if it will charge too. And look at that, it's charging sideways. So if you wanted to watch something, a video, a movie, use the stand in landscape mode, you could certainly do that too. So look at that, it'll charge even on the side here. But I love the fact that I can charge multiple devices, and it's just really, really pretty. Kind of like I was in my youth. If you have a phone that can be wirelessly charged and you want a sleek, versatile, good-looking wireless charging stand, then I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.